have a new box that just got here, but we got cutouts for the Tundra. So we're gonna go ahead and install those things. Thank you very much to SPE Lab for sending these things out, because these are going to make the Tundra exactly like the drift car, to where we can turn up the volume and then lower the volume. So what you're gonna need for this is a Sawzall or some way to cut exhaust. You can use a handsaw if you want, but a Sawzall is way easier. Under here, I have 2 lengths of exhaust pipe, one coming from both sides. I'm gonna cut this right there, and then we should be able to get the cutoffs in on that area. To install these guys, I just like to run my hardware in, get a gasket on. You have to put a gasket on both sides of the cutout, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Cutouts installed. All right, guys, so here's the finished product of the truck right here. Everything we did in this video will go over right here and right now. So one of those places is gonna be the exhaust cutouts. Flip the cutouts. I don't know if you can tell, but that cutout right there is open. And that brings me to my last mod that I've done to this truck. And I haven't shown y'all this one yet, but I'll go ahead and surprise you. It's actually stupid easy to do. If you ever want to look it up, the link is going to be in the description. Remote start for the truck. Yeah, no, quite literally, you can put remote start on this thing. They have a video on their website how to install that. So if y'all get the kit and want to figure out how to do it, use theirs. But simply put, with the exhaust valves being open and with the remote start kit, I need a battery. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You hear them cutouts roaring. So let me show you something cool about Tundras with cutouts. All right, guys, this is what the exhaust sounds like. Go ahead and downshift it. Oh, it sounds so good. And it pops too. Now I'll close them. That's quite crazy. And that's what the difference between exhaust open and close is. All right, guys, so that pretty much does it for all the mods that we just did on the Tundra, and hope you enjoyed the video. If you've got a truck or Tundra or anything, do these mods to your truck, and I guess we're gonna see how long it takes before this thing breaks. It's a Toyota, so we might be waiting a good bit. I guess we'll just have to keep throwing extra aftermarket mods on it until it does. Thank you for watching the video. Y'all have a great one. Remember to freaking send it.